Setting up a Cisco with Taylor Sdwan controller involves several steps to ensure proper configuration and functionality. Here's a general outline of the process: hardware and software requirements. 1. Ensure you have the necessary hardware and software components for the Sdwan controller, such as the vManage appliance. 2. Make sure you have the required software images for the various Sdwan components, such as vEdge routers. Initial setup of vManage. 1. Access the vManage web interface using the provided IP address or host name. 2. Complete the initial setup wizard, which involves setting the administrator credentials and network parameters. Certificate management. 1. Set up the certificate authority (CA) for your Sdwan environment if needed. 2. Generate and install certificates for secure communication between Sdwan components. Device onboarding. 1. Add vEdge routers to the Sdwan network. 1. This usually involves generating certificates for each device and configuring their system IP addresses. 2. Devices need to be registered with the vManage controller using their serial numbers. Configuration templates. 1. Create configuration templates for different types of devices, vEdge routers, vSmart controllers, etc. 2. Templates define the configuration settings that should be applied to devices. Policy configuration. 1. Configure Sdwan policies to define how traffic is handled across the network. 2. Define application-aware routing policies, QoS policies, and security policies. Topology and tunnels. 1. Set up the Sdwan network topology, including the connection types and paths between devices. 2. Establish secure control and data plane tunnels between devices. Routing configuration. 1. Configure routing protocols such as OSPF, BGP, and static routes to ensure proper routing within the Sdwan network. Monitoring and troubleshooting. 1. Use the vManage dashboard to monitor the health and performance of the Sdwan network. 2. Analyze logs and metrics to troubleshoot issues and optimize network performance. Security configuration. 1. Implement security features such as VPN encryption and authentication to secure data transmission between sites. Testing and validation. 1. Test the Sdwan network by sending traffic across different paths and monitoring the results. 2. Validate that the policies and configurations are working as intended. Documentation. 1. Maintain thorough documentation of your Sdwan setup, including network diagrams, configurations, and policies. It's important to note that the exact steps and configurations can vary based on your specific Sdwan deployment and the Cisco with Taylor version you are using. Always refer to the official Cisco documentation and guidelines for the most up-to-date and accurate information.